Hey, this is Riley from Water. Today we'll be making roast and papaya tea. Now we add our add it to a strainer. Now get a strainer in the pot. I've set the boiling kettle now, so wait for a few moments. And when it's done, be nice and ready. Pro tip, should add this on once you add the water. So when you get rid of it, easier. And the kettle is done. There. It's usually served already for people, so it's fine. I have time for the process of brewing, so I'll get my cup instantaneously. Here. We'll brew about 12 seconds. Because straight tea brews really quickly. Get rid of tea. Pop this back on. Correct way. I don't know why it's not working today. Finally, we figured out how to put it on quickly. Get this nice colour rich tea. It's not supposed to brew for that long because there you are. Papaya tea. Chuck the tin for a bit longer because sure that it's brewed enough because it's tasting pretty weak. And now it is done. Rose and Papaya Tea. Hope you like and subscribe to Riley Komodo. I do videos every day, so goodbye. See you tomorrow.